Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Cornville local and long-distance movers near me. Making new friends, seeing new sights, and eating new foods are some of the things you can look forward to when you relocate to a new place. However, as exciting as these things are, the process of relocating is stressful. Not only will it drain you financially, but you will also expend a lot of energy physically and mentally. 3Movers can help to ease your stress, and we are close to you here in Cornville. We are very affordable, which helps you in terms of finance, and we tend to take charge of the entire relocation from start to finish, which leaves you free from any mental or physical hassle. We have excellent customer service and care that will leave you stress-free and comfortable after our business correspondence is over. You can trust that we will always come through for you whenever you need us to do so. 3Movers has a reputation for customer satisfaction. We do not compromise on this, using every opportunity to assert and provide you with your specific moving needs and wants. We make sure to consider your schedule and budget so that we can give you the type of relocation you want. Any move covering or exceeding 50 miles is a long-distance relocation, regardless of whether you're moving within the same state or to another state. Though long-distance relocations are complex to undertake, we do them with ease, providing only high-quality services to our clients. We always have your interests at heart, and our approach to service delivery will prove this to you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cornville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.